Everyone, hope you are doing well. This is CMA Pradeep Dhyani, your mentor. So guys, in this video we will discuss about whether a CMA student should go for a single group or both group. So guys, in this video I will clarify with some of the example that we should go with single group or both group. So guys, a lot of CMA student has some doubt ki sir whether we need to go for a single group or both group. So guys, there are some advantages and disadvantages for single group or both group. Guys, my personal experience is that every CMA student should analyze himself or herself whether he's capable of one group or both group. Okay guys, and when you go to any coaching, they will suggest you to go for both group because of their coaching. But I want to tell every CMA student that he should analyze himself कि he should go for single group or both group. Okay guys, there but I accepting that there are lot of advantages of both group. First one, when you give both group, if you got good marks, then you will got ranks, which is beneficial in your online campus or offline campus, or in offline looking opportunities. So guys, yes, there are a lot of advantages for campus, for in campus also. And apart from this guys, there is a very important benefit which I personally experience, that shut off. I want to share one of my three friend experience. There are a lot of such kind of examples, but I want to share three experience which I faced in my during my friendship, during my CMA journey. One of my friend, CMA Himanshu Patwal, currently he is a practicing cost accountant. Guys, he received in one group 196, and in another group he received 204, and both will set off and become 400, and he will clear his CMA inter both group. Okay guys, another example, CMA Rohit Kumar. He is currently associated with India's biggest PSU, Coal India. Guys, in CMA Inter he received 196 in one group, in another group 204, 400 exact. Same story, different person, same professional degree. So guys, look at the advantages of both group. Okay, another example, one of my friend 187 in one group, and in another group 213 exact 400, and he cleared his CMA Inter. There are a lot of example you have also saw in your nearby area and your nearby friend circle. So there are some advantages. But guys, what is the benefit if a person is not capable of clearing both group same? But if he is giving attempt, so there is no such kind of advantages. And I am also a person who is believing on single group. I have always give single group and cleared easily. So I am a single group person. You need to make your own strategy guys. In every video I should tell you that you should make own strategy to clear these kind of professional exam, either CA, CS, CMA. So guys, you need to make your own strategy, and do not go with your friends whatever the teacher are saying. You need to analyze yourself. Okay guys, and yes guys, there are a lot of advantages which I shared, that in set off you will get benefit. In campus, most of the organization shortlist only those students who have given both group, inter or final. Mainly they saw final. In campus, final, mainly final matter. So guys, like I want to share, there are a lot of example in campus, but I want to share one of the example, Vedanta. In one interval, in one every one interval, Vedanta comes in campus and picks 6 or 4. But the criteria, one of the criteria is that he has cleared CMA final with both group. So guys, there are some lot of advantages and disadvantages of single group or both group. But if you are not clearing with both group, then what is the advantages for you? We need to analyze ourselves, na guys. We need to analyze ourselves. So guys, and apart from this, one of the advantages of both group, that for example I want to share with you ki if you are taking classes, face to face classes from Lakshmi Nagar, and your home is 2 hours from Lakshmi Nagar. You are traveling 2 hours one side, 2 hours one side. You are taking 4 hours. Suppose you are giving one group, and you are taking 2 classes in a day. So MWF 2 classes, TTS 2 classes. Suppose guys, if you take 4 classes in a day for both group, 2 for single or 2 for both, then you are saving 6 month traveling time. Because in MWF, whether you are taking 2 classes or 4 classes, the time will remain same. So this is the benefit of both group. You can clear your study. If you are going to one group, you need to travel for 2 subject. But if you are giving both group, you will clear same day 4 subject. So this is the benefit guys. Okay, and you will save 6 month time traveling time, 6 month you will save money, and lot of opportunity you will save. So this is the advantage which I saw in giving both group. Okay guys, I experienced this with my friends, uh, their journey. So guys, there are some lot of advantages which I saw in my journey. So guys, but every time I will say that ki you need to analyze yourself, your capability, है ना? If you are giving both group but not able to clear the, when there is no advantage of giving both group. Single group, clear your group. Single group, clear your group. CMA inter group 1, clear your group in one attempt. Single group 2, clear attempt. Group 3, group 4, clear and become the CMA. And after that you can do another courses, whatever you want. So hope in this video you will clarify the advantages of both group, and you need to go with single group or both group. If you have any doubt, you can comment me. Surely I will help you, and I will come up with such kind of videos which is motivational, which is knowledgeable for you CMA student. Thank you so much guys, and bye guys.